Hey Alkanines, you asked me to do a video for you, so here you go. I'm gonna show you a cool, simple trick on making a one rail kick shot and how you can make it from almost anywhere on the table. So what it's going to require is next time you have access to a pool table is you need to establish a baseline shot. And what I mean by that is, let's say I'm going for the orange ball there, and your cue ball's down here out of this corner pocket. So we're gonna shoot this shot right before the nipple, and you can shoot it with a little bit of top English or no English, and it'll be close. If you can put a little left English on it, that'll be fine. This is probably the same way you make it at Shenanigans tables too, is a little bit of left English, but we're going to hit it just like that. That was a little bit of left English. And that's our baseline shot. Once you learn how to make that shot consistently, you can make it when the cue ball, even if the cue ball is not sitting in the pocket like it was in that shot. Obviously, if the cue ball is anywhere along that same line, from the pocket to right before the nipple, anywhere on that line, it's the exact same shot. But what if the cue ball is out here somewhere? The cool trick that you can do is you pick a spot off of the table. It can be called spot on the wall. It can be a beer bottle sitting on a table. It can be a picture on the wall, something like that. But you can see if I draw a line out of the pocket to right before the nipple and off of the table, I actually set up that gnome in the corner just for demonstration purposes, but the tip of his hat is right along the line of my pool cue. So what I can do is I can always aim at the tip of his cap with a little bit of left English, and I will make this ball. Now, the amount of English changes a little bit. Let's say my cue ball is up rail a little, I'm like almost 3 diamonds up from the corner pocket. This one, I shot that with no English. So as your cue ball advances up the table, you need less and less English. And actually, once you get past the side pocket, you start needing right English to counteract the angle. But for all purposes, if you're somewhere down here in this area of the table and you're just going one rail, you can just hit it the same way you do when you're shooting out of the pocket, and it's gonna be really close. What if your object ball is not in the pocket and it's somewhere on the rail? So here I moved it 1 diamond up from the pocket. So we just need to adjust our aiming spot. So the general rule of thumb is for every half diamond that you move on the first rail, so the banking rail, a half a diamond will result in a full diamond by the time it reaches the other rail. So since this is a full diamond away from the pocket, we need to move our aiming spot a half a diamond back on the first rail. So again, no matter where our cue ball is, let's say it's out here in the middle of the table somewhere, that 8 ball is in my way. I'm gonna look at the tip of my gnome's hat again and see where my cue stick crosses And now I'm going to shift a half a diamond this way. And I made contact. And that's all for today. I'm sure you're excited to get out and try it. So in 2 months, when we're out of this mess, I look forward to teaching it to you guys again. But why don't you save the link and watch it over and over so I don't have to teach it all the time. Love you guys. Miss you. Bye.